With us on TV, subscribe to my channel if today is your first day here. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time I bring up any video or content, you will not miss it. This video I'm about to show you is a bit graphic because when I saw it, I was shocked. But then, somebody like me, I don't like to wash my dirty linen outside, meaning that we have a group of us that is taking Africa to the world, the positive side of Africa. But I'm also discovering the negative side of Africa because it's very important that we hit both. I'm looking at the environment and I feel like there's more work to be done on the environment. And I'll say that Ghana needs to develop a higher maintenance attitude, meaning that whatever Ghana builds, Ghana needs to develop a habit of maintaining it rather than waiting for it to destroy and then rebuild it again. It's a waste of time, waste of resources, waste of money. By this video, I'm actually addressing this to the environmental community in Ghana that they hold responsible in keeping Ghana clean, especially the capital city. The capital city is the focal point of Ghana. Everybody lands in the capital city, so it must be clean. It must have a shape. It must have something that catches. What I saw today at Circle is nice, and I'm going to put the video with this so you can see, and that will be my evidence. I'm addressing this once again to the environmental community in Ghana to pay close attention to our environment, especially the capital city of Accra. As I've already said, that is the first point of Ghana. The environmental committee has failed their responsibility of keeping the country clean and tidy. I saw a lot of rubbish across the capital city of Accra, especially Accra Circle. Circle has a river, and the river is called Odo River. Circle is choked with rubbish. People are sleeping under the bridges, and the capital city is filled with street burgers and is making the city overwhelmed and choked and disorganized. Please, let's pay attention. The river, Odo River, the Odo River, once a beautiful river, is now filled with plastic bottles and pure water plastic bags and other nasty things in that river. Let's bear in mind that Odo River is linked with other rivers. So anything wrong with Odo River will affect other rivers, which can cause different type of illness and diseases to whoever come in contact with such rivers that has link with Odo River. It is very important that we keep our rivers clean for our own sanity and consumption. The environmental community or committee should wake up and start acting now before things get out of hand in a country's environment. I am also pleading with Ghanaians, citizens of Ghana, also to help keep the city clean, avoiding throwing plastics in the rivers and the streets. I am going to end this here. I hope you get the point. Africa belongs to all of us. A place that we call home. A place that we must keep clean. A place that all of us has to play a part in keeping clean. Even though I'm addressing this to the environmental committee, I'm also addressing this to the citizens of Ghana to pay close attention, not forgetting themselves to throw litters all around the city. That is not nice. My name is Kwame Yepwao. If you've liked what you've heard, subscribe to the channel and share this video so people can get to see this and then do something about it. I would catch you on the next one. Don't forget that this program is sponsored by DJY Services. DJY Services is an estate agent in London and also in Ghana. We're into sales, lettings, and management, and also property developing. If you're interested in building a house in Ghana, by all means, get in touch with us. My WhatsApp number will be on the description, and also my website address on DJY Services will be there. Thank you. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay blessed.